Today we need to start rectangular hyperbola, no? Today is the last day of your 2025, Haripriya.
Yes.
What you will be doing today? Will you celebrate?
Nothing.
You can do one thing. If you're not doing anything, you can do one thing in the night. Whatever you like, you bring it from market or order it. Means like some chips, chocolate, or cake, or whatever you like, or coffee, something whichever whatever you want. That chips or anything, or if you like biryani, also you can do that also. But I think you do not eat late, na?
I would have finished my dinner by then.
But you can. But one day, see, if you don't like, it's okay. But for like snacks or snacks type of thing, you can eat. And then with that, put some movie, very good movie, which you like, whatever you like, and watch it.
I have lab exams tomorrow, sir.
Lab exam tomorrow. Oh,
Yeah, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and the day after.
that's the problem. Then I cannot recommend anything. Then you have to. Otherwise, I would have suggested you this thing. You can enjoy for the night.
Everyone at college were like, they don't even let us celebrate New Year.
You know?
They don't even let us celebrate New Year.
Why? They do not celebrate themselves.
No, sir. Like, they have kept a lab exam tomorrow instead.
They should not have kept this one because it's 11th only now. They can shift whatever they want. But don't know. These kinds of things actually irritate. Everyone will be enjoying, but you will be studying. For that, you can do one thing. After your exams are over, keep this day as it is, thinking this day, the one day in the future, like Saturday or Sunday, whenever your exams are over, you will keep this enjoyment of this day pending, and then you will watch movie and then enjoy on that day. Let others enjoy, because means it's a trend. Means usually every year it's not like we celebrate festivals now. It's like that only. The last day of the year, we welcome the new year. For that we enjoy. And sometimes if these kinds of things are there, we actually postpone the day for the next 2 or 3 days, and then we enjoy on the day. I think they are not joining because they may be enjoying. Diva and Kanishka. Which exam, lab exam, what exam is there? Have you prepared everything?
Yes, sir. But have to practice those diagrams.
Tomorrow
I have physics, then biology, and last chemistry.
Okay. So you'll be performing experiments.
Yeah, it's more like a lucky dip. You have to perform what you get.
Yes. I know that one. So let me complete this rectangular hyperbola today. I don't think they will be joining because they would have gone outside. They both live in Delhi, na? So I think they would have gone outside because there'll be many celebrations outside everywhere. But I am not able to go because it's too cold outside. See, what is rectangular hyperbola? Acha, let me tell you one more thing. I did not tell you anything about the asymptotes. Before rectangular hyperbola, let me tell you about asymptotes. Asymptotes are also the lines. Sometimes they ask in the questions. What are asymptotes? Asymptotes actually, they are pair of lines drawn from the center of hyperbola and touch the hyperbola at infinity. This is how they are defined. Asymptotes. You will better understand how to find out this asymptotes. Asymptotes actually, they're like, let me draw them, draw the diagram. If these are the two axes, this is your hyperbola, this is its center. From this center, if you draw a line, it appears to be touching at the infinity because I have not touched it. Okay, like that. It's not a tangent, it appears to be touching at infinity. These are the asymptotes. It goes other side also, not only in one quadrant, it goes other side also, back side also, but I have not drawn it. It will be touching on the other side also. Now, how to find out these equation of asymptotes? That's a question. Concept is the equation of asymptotes pair of asymptotes, this line L1, L2 differ from equation of hyperbola by a constant. Okay, what's the meaning of this? If your equation of hyperbola is this, x square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1 is equal to 0. So the equation of asymptote, pair of asymptotes will be x square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. And then how do we find out the equation of these asymptotes? We actually put the center. This is the center. This center satisfies asymptotes equation 1. Center should satisfy this equation 1. So Using this, we get value of lambda. Got it? This is the concept. This is how we actually find out the equation of asymptote. In general, if the equation of hyperbola is s is equal to 0, then the equation of asymptote becomes s plus lambda is equal to 0. And then center would be satisfying this equation 1. So using that, we find out the value of lambda, and then we get the equation of asymptotes. That means equation of pair of asymptotes we get. And individually factorizing them will give us the equation. Okay? Clear? Haripriya, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you give me the equation of asymptotes to the hyperbola? Equation of solve and tell me equation of asymptotes to x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Solve and tell me. I'm just coming, wait 1 minute. You solve, I'm just coming. Yes, Haripriya, did you get it?
No, sir.
You are solving or not? You are studying.
No, sir, I'm not.
So this is not difficult. You should have done.
Like, I couldn't get the part lambda.
See, let me tell you. This is the equation of hyperbola. And I said the equation of asymptotes actually differ by a constant. So asymptotes will be x square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1 plus lambda. Okay? Now it passes through, asymptotes are these, they actually pass through center 0, 0. Asymptotes are L1, L2 is equal to 0. You have these two lines above, this L1 and L2, this L1, this is L2, multiply them, put equal to 0, you are getting the equation of asymptotes. Two lines multiplied. This passes through 0, 0. That means what? 0 square by a square minus 0 square by b square minus 1 plus lambda is equal to 0. So lambda should be equal to 1. The value of lambda we have got 1. So what is the equation of asymptotes? X square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. X by a minus y by b into x by a plus y by b equal to 0. The two equation of lines asymptotes are x by a minus y by b is equal to 0. One line. Other line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 0. The second line. Understood? This line gives to y is equal to bx by a. That's this one. L1. Tan theta is equal to b by a. Slope y is equal to mx. Other is y is equal to minus bx by a. That's this line. Again, this slope is also b by a. So the angle between these are two lines. And if someone says the angle between the asymptotes is what? 2 theta. Now I think you should have understood the concept. Hey, Haripriya, understood?
Yes, sir.
Do you want time for revision or for studying?
No, if it's fine, so you
Fine,
can.
it's fine, na? Okay. Then I'll be giving you some question. Let me give you a passage type question. You're able to see na? Attempt it. See, actually the things that I have told you na, they are actually given in passage 1. Try to solve it. Now here it will be, it will not be easy to find out the value of lambda for you. You may be wondering. See, one more concept I'll tell you, Haripriya. See, remember the equation of asymptotes that you get, this one, L1, L2 equal to 0, here, is the pair of lines, right? Yes, Haripriya,
Yes.
it's
Yes, sir, I'm here.
it's a pair of lines. This line is a pair of line, no? Now, if any line represents a pair, if any curve represents a pair of line, you remember that condition I have told you in the beginning, delta is equal to 0. Let me
Yes,
remind
sir.
you. If a curve is there, wait, let me show you it. Why it is hanging? If there is a curve ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If this is a curve, if this represents a pair of lines, then you remember I told you the condition delta should be equal to 0. That means abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square should be equal to 0. Here in the first question, you may have to apply that condition because pair of asymptotes of the hyperbola. The hyperbola is this different kind of hyperbola. The pair of asymptotes will be, you will be adding one constant lambda to it, and that becomes the pair of lines. If that curve is a pair of, if that is pair of line, that should satisfy this condition abc plus 2fgh minus af square plus bg square plus ch square minus ch square, that condition. Using that condition, you will be able to find out the value of lambda. Now try it. Now you will be able to solve.
The first one is xy minus 3y minus 2x plus 6 is 0.
Correct. First one is this.
So the second one, how do you represent a hyperbola in terms of its asymptotes? Like I found
Hyperbola.
the equation of the asymptotes. I don't know what to do next. Like how to the
Center
equation.
is given. Asymptotes are they are parallel to the line. Acha. See, these with the hyperbola equation they found one. Na? See, you know the hyperbola and the asymptote they differ by one constant lambda. So if they have given the asymptotes are parallel to these two lines. That means what are asymptotes? 2x plus 3y plus some constant lambda 1 is equal to 0. This is one line. Other line will be 3x plus 2y plus lambda 2 is equal to 0. This is the second line. If you multiply them, you will get the equation of hyperbola. How you will get the value of lambda 1 and
One
lambda?
minute, sir. Then I found the equation of the asymptotes. I do it and
Give me. Because these asymptotes pass through the center, na 1, 2. You will get lambda 1, lambda 2. So you will be getting lambda 1 as 2 plus 6, 8 minus 8. Lambda 2 is 3 plus 4 minus 7. So your equation of asymptotes are 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now the equation hyperbola. So the equation of asymptotes, pair of asymptotes will be 2x plus 3y minus 8 into 3x plus 2y minus 7.
there wouldn't be option D.
Option D. Wait. Option D.
It's like
Correct.
the only option that satisfies the equation.
Now the equation of hyperbola will be differing if I solve it properly. 2x plus 3y minus 8 into 3x plus 2y minus 7 plus some constant, what I can say, lambda 3. This will be the hyperbola. Now they have said this hyperbola actually passes through some point. They have given one point, no? Through 5 comma 3. 5 comma 3 will satisfy it. Then you will get lambda. Lambda 3 will be minus 154 you will get. So D. Now try to do the third one. Third one will be easy for you.
Sir, would it be 2 by root 3?
No. E is 2. B.
Is it? Or it's, I'm telling you, like conjugate actually 4 by root 3.
Array. Eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola they've asked, no? So what we have here, let me solve it. See, angle between the asymptotes of hyperbola is pi by 3. That means 2 tan inverse b by a is equal to pi by 3. So tan inverse b by a will be pi by 6. Tan 30 is equal to b by a. That means a is equal to b root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, na? A is equal to b root 3. This is the relation. Now, eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola you want. For conjugate hyperbola, we know a square is equal to b square into e square minus 1 is there. For conjugate. So, b square into 3 is equal to b square into e square minus 1. B square will get cancelled. 3 is equal to e square minus 1. E square is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. So, e is equal to 2. That's the answer. What you were doing?
I got b by a is equal to 1 by root 3. I
Hmm.
used e square is equal to b square plus a square by b square formula.
Acha, that formula. You use the reverse formula for the normal hyperbola. B square is equal to a square into e square minus 1. That's for normal hyperbola, na? They're talking about conjugate hyperbola. For conjugate hyperbola, you use a square is equal to b square into e square minus 1. Got it? There is other way also. Get the eccentricity of this hyperbola using b square is equal to a square. And then use that formula 1 by e square plus 1 by e1 square is equal to 1. The relation between the hyperbola and the conjugate hyperbola I've told you, no? Eccentricity relation. Remember? I think I given you
Yes.
question. Using that. I said na sometimes it's used. The eccentricity formula is used. It's easy only. I gave. Acha, now try to do this fourth one. Let's see how you will do fourth one. Fourth one is interesting. Let me copy it here. Try to solve the fourth one now. What happened? Are you getting the idea?
No,
Arifia?
sir, I'm not able to represent it.
See, it's very easy. How the hyperbola is passing through the origin has this as its asymptotes. Means the asymptotes may be these are the two lines, and the asymptotes may be this. Let me draw it with different color. Where is that color? These are the two asymptotes, right? Now this is your hyperbola. Equation of its transverse and conjugate axis. These are the asymptotes. Now, can I say, because I have found out two asymptotes, actually the line, the conjugate axis and the transverse axis actually is a angular bisector of the asymptotes. Can I say?
Yes, sir.
And conjugate axis is what? Conjugate axis is actually the external angular bisector. And you know how to find out the equation of bisector of the two lines. Remember, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 is one line. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is other line. And the equation of angle bisectors is what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 by root over a1 square plus b1 square is equal to plus or minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by root over a2 square plus b2 square. Okay? Plus will give you one transverse axis, negative will give conjugate axis. Or get one equation with plus, get another equation with plus, minus. We are actually not at all concerned with whatever is the internal angle bisector, which is the external angle bisector. We're not concerned because two equations will get. But if you want, you can apply that method. In the straight lines, I have told you how to find out the method of finding which is the acute angle bisector, which is the obtuse angle bisector. You remember that one?
Yes, sir.
That one. For here this will work. You need not have to go deep because getting plus or minus, applying once plus then minus, will give you two equations. You check with the options, so one will be correct. Solve it quickly and then give me the answer. I think this last question will give you as the homework. Try to do it as homework, but I don't expect you to do this because you have your practicals tomorrow. Better prepare for it, then we can solve it later. In the next class, I'll do the rectangular hyperbola. Small concepts it will covered in one class, and then we'll go for the next chapter. Next chapter probably would be the complex number or the some other chapter that you want. Kanishka or Diva, they have told me I think they want to learn which one. Limits, I think. Limits they have difficulty. We'll take that first, then complex numbers. Do it quickly and give me the answer. What answer we are getting?
Sir, option A.
A? No, it should be C. Let me solve you this. 3x minus 4y minus 1 by root over 3 square plus 4 square, root over it will be 5. So I am directly writing 5. Is equal to plus 4x minus 3y minus 6 by 5 again. So x plus y minus 5. What you said? A. Only through this only we have got the answer. Actually option C. Because x plus 5 minus 5 is not there in any
I
option.
have missed this sign. I have taken the negative.
Actually you're doing mistakes because your mind is somewhere else. Your exam tomorrow. 4x minus 3y minus 6. We solve this also. So 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to minus 4x plus 3y plus 6. So it will be 7x minus 7y minus 7 is equal to 0. That means 7 into x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the other line. This is one line. This is other line. Option C is the right answer. Okay, take 5 as the homework. But if you're not able to do, no problem. We'll do in the next class because better prepare for your exam. Let's end it. You have
Thank
tomorrow. You have tomorrow and day after tomorrow exam, no?
Yes, sir, but I'll attend this.
Physics class tomorrow at
I'll
10.
attend.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.